Hey, William, you know what we got?
Yep.
What is it?
It's a sleeping bag.
A sleeping bag. Why do you need a sleeping bag?
Because I'm starting Boy Sprouts.
Boy Sprouts. Are you a lion cub?
Yeah.
And do you need stuff so you go camping?
Yeah.
Do you already have a tent?
Yeah.
Do you have a hammock? Yes. I've got your hammock. Now you need a sleeping bag. Why don't you open the box? Let's look at it.
I'm going to use my strong muscles.
Oh.
My face.
Okay. So let's pull it out.
Okay.
Take it out the package.
So here you are, baby. It looks like a big baby.
Looks like a big baby. Look at it. Let me turn it around. Let's look at it. So, once again, this is another Survival Hax product. This polyester 3-season mummy bag weighs about 22.5 ounces, so 1.34 pounds, which isn't quite ultralight backpacking, but for the kind of camping that a little lion cub will do, then it's just perfect. How old do you have to be a lion cub?
5.
You have to be in kindergarten?
Yes.
You want to open it up? Can you figure it out?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying. Oh, I found it.
You found it? Oh! All right. Yeah, it's got...
I'll do the rest of it.
Hold on.
It looks like a T on the back.
Let's loosen up the straps. I like that. I like compression bags.
Can I try it out?
Do you want to sleep in it?
Yeah.
Maybe you sleep in your tent tonight?
No, I want to. But what if I was in
Pull it out.
What if I...
Pull it out.
Gray!
Oh, wow. Lay it out.
Ooh, wow.
What color is it?
Gray.
And blue.
Oh, I want to test it out on the floor.
Okay, test that on the floor. So what do you think?
Yeah, cool.
Cool, you got plenty of room?
Yeah.
Is it nice and warm?
Yes.
Hey, do you know why they call it a mummy bag? Why do they call it a mummy bag?
Because it had the hood that you put on your face.
For when it's really, really cold? You want to see something cool?
Uh-huh.
See that? Look. It tightens up. It tightens up. What do you think?
Hello, everybody.
There you go. Nice and warm.
I'm going to sleep here.
So this Survival Hack sleeping bag, 3-season bag, a little over 1.5 pounds, a little under 1.5 pounds, $30. Not a bad deal. You like it, William? So night night.
Night night, everybody.